Good morning everybody. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 1 of class 12th, and the name of the chapter is Revision of Python Basics. As the name indicates that we are going to revise whatever we have learned in class 11th. We are going to do the review of that only. Today we are starting with the topic that is strings. Strings is a sequence of characters which means that which is written in quotes, and these quotes can be a single quote, can be double quotes, and can be triple quotes. When we write a string in a single line, then it is written in single quotes and double quotes. But when we write the string in multiple lines, then it is written in triple quotes. String की second characteristic होती है, individual characters in a string can be accessed using the subscript which is called as an index. Suppose I have stored a string in ST, that is double quote computers. Computer will be stored as a string. In the computer memory, it will be stored on the basis of its index value. It will be like this, like we'll make a box, and each character of a string is written in a single box, and each box will get the index value. So this index value is called as my subscript or an index. This index can be positive or can be negative. Your positive index always starts from left to right, and the negative index starts from right to left. Strings are mutable. As you know that mutable means that the strings which cannot be changed. Once we store the value of a string, we cannot change the value of a string. For example, if I said ST is equal to double quotes computer, if I want to change the index P with the T, I cannot do that. It will show me the error. If I'll write ST of 3 is equal to double quotes T, it will show me the value error. Because strings are immutable, which means that the string's value cannot be changed once it is created. And the third characteristic is like strings को collectively हम लोग 3 parts में divide कर लेंगे. Like strings are the sequence of characters which are written in single quote or double quote or triple quote, and the second one is individual character in a string can be accessed using the subscript or an index, and the third one is that the strings are immutable, means the value of the string cannot be changed once it's created. Now we come to the second point, that is strings are having some operations. What are these operations? The first one is called as a plus. Plus means concatenation, where concatenation means combining two strings. Suppose we said X is equal to hello and Y is equal to world. And if I want to write it hello world togetherly, then I'll write in print X plus Y. Then the out means the output will be hello world without any space. Second one is asterisk, which means repetition of a string number of times. X is equal to hello, and if we say that print X into 3, it means it will display the value as hello 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 3 times. Third one is in and not in operation, which is called as your membership operator. In membership operator, which means it checks for the value whether the substring exists in the main string or not. For example, if we say X is equal to hello and I want to check whether O is present in X or not, then I'll say O in X, which will return me the value as true, means it returns the bool value, either the true or false. If it exists in the string, then it will return the true value, and if it is not present in the string, then it will return the bool value as false. The next one is square brackets में we have a colon sign which shows the slicing. Slicing means होता है अगर string में से सारे characters मुझे extract नहीं करने हैं, I want to extract few particular characters from my string in a given range, then I can use slicing. For example, if I write ST is equal to double quotes computer, that is a constant value for a string. Now, if I'll say print ST 3 colon 6, which means the start value, it will start printing the string, substring from the third byte, third index till the 6th. As we know that it never takes the last value, stop value, it takes the value 1 less than the stop value. Means it will print the value as PUT, Suppose we are having third index as P, fourth we are having U and fifth we have T, और एक कम तक चलेगा, 6 अगर मैंने लास्ट इंडेक्स दिए तो लास्ट से एक कम वैल्यू लेगा, सो इट विल प्रिंट मी द वैल्यू एज PUT पुट, तो आंसर विल बी पुट. Next is print ST start value. If I'm not giving, I'm giving the only the ending value or the stop value. In this case, it will start printing the string from the beginning. That means it will start printing the value as COMPU and T, compute, because 6 दिया है तो 6 से एक कम चलना है. Next is print -6 colon -3, which means that I can print my string from my negative index also. For example, 6 and then we have -3. So it will start printing my value from -6 till it will print my value -3. It will print the value from left to right if we'll give the positive index, and if we'll give the negative step value, it will print my value from right to left, right? So if I'm giving -6 -3, it will give me the value as PUT put, and if I'll give -3 -6 -1, it will print my value TUB. That is in the reverse manner, right? And next is, suppose if I want to give the step value also in a string, then I'll use print ST0 colon 6 colon 2, where it says that it will start printing the string from 0 and print the string till 5, but the step value will be 2. So it will take my index 0, it will take my index 2, it will take my index 4. So the value will be CMU. All these are the operations which can be done by using a string.